I've configured my router interfaces. Are we good? Hello. Are we good?
Not yet.
Okay, sir. I'm waiting for others to finish, please. Mhm. Are we done? Hello, Mr. Idris, Mr. Muri, Mr. Alaza.
Yes. We know. I'm a real. I've had a better performance school. We don't. That way, man.
Okay. Now we are going to configure BGP on the router. BGP stands for Border Gateway Protocol. Is a protocol that manages how packets are routed across the internet by exchanging router information between different autonomous systems. AS. An autonomous system is a large network or group of network under a common administration, like an ISP or a large enterprise. BGP is essential because it ensures that the internet traffic is efficiently routed and is a backbone of internet communication. Please note that is a backbone of internet communication. BGP. So the key concepts in BGP are the autonomous system, BGP peers or neighbors, BGP attributes, route advertisements, path selection in BGP, BGP sections, convergence in BGP, BGP route filtering and policy. We have external BGP and we have external BGP and we have internal BGP. External BGP is used for exchanging routes between the router in different AS. While internal BGP is used for exchanging routes within the same AS. So you can see within the same AS. This one is between different AS, and this one is our topology is regarded as external BGP. So please, BGP is very important. It's a protocol that powers the core routing of the internet. Any question? So now we are going to configure this. Our topology is a simple topology. So the first thing we are going to do is to let's open the New York router. Config T, router, put question mark. So you're going to tell the router which dynamic protocol you want to configure. So we are going to say BGP, question mark. You can see it's asking you what is your autonomous system number. Based on our topology, we are giving it 30. Enter. Hello, are you with me?
Write it.
Yes.
Yes.
Or choose a number.
Yes. So the next thing you are going to do is to write the BGP router ID. So I'm going to go with like I go to 1.2.1.2. You can give any ID you want. Are we good? Then I'm going to declare the neighbor. Please, I'm waiting for everybody to be on the same page. Are you with me, please?
Yes.
So be careful here. So that's why I paused. So when you get label, it's neighbor. I think my spelling is right. Neighbor. So you are going to put the next up IP address. In my own case, my next up is 2.1. 192.168.2.1. I think okay, there's something missing in our topology. This I did not put the AS number for this. AS number for this one to be, let's say 30, 40, let's say 50. Let's just be sequential. Let's just be sequential, yes. So it's going to be the next up IP address. Whatever IP address to give this interface, I gave my own 2.2. Okay, this 2.1, this is 2.2. It's 2.2. This is 2.1, this is 2.2. The next up IP address. So its neighbor is neighbor to that remote AS 50. That is how to write that. Are you with me? Hello?
Hello.
Neighbor is neighbor to this Georgia router on this next up. So what you are declaring here is the next up of your neighbor router, and you are telling him this is autonomous number, which is 50. Enter. Before you now write his network, its network is 192.168.1.0 with a mask of 255.255.255.0. And the other network here is 2.0. So I will pause for everybody to copy it. Are we there? Let me copy it for you.
Hold on, first.
I'm copying, I'm going to put it on the charts. It's on the chart too.
Okay.
Are we done?
I'm done.
You done?
Yes.
Okay, let me add my configuration. WR. So we are done with the New York router. So now let's go to Georgia router. So let me do this one first. Let me do Texas router first. Texas router enable config T router BGP 40. That's the autonomous number. BGP router ID to be, let's say, 3.2.3.2. Then the network will be, its next up is this. My own is 3.1. 192.168.3.1 is remote as 50. Network. What is missing here? Oh, sorry. It's neighbor. And nobody corrected me. Neighbor 192.168.3.1 is remote as 50. In the same process, doesn't change. They are now declared the network. I first mentioned that its remote, I mean, its next up is this. That what this one. This is next up, and it's remote to this 50. So now just declare its network 192.168.4.0 mask 255.255.255.0, and the other one is 3.0, and that's all. And WR. Are we good on that? Are we good on that?
Yeah.
I'm waiting for everybody to complete their own. Hello, are we done?
No,
Okay.
we are not done. Are you done with this? Can I continue, please? Hello, Mr. Idris, Mr. Murray, Mr. Lazan. Follow me, yeah. Don't bark. No, you need to wait.
Okay.
So
So now let me go to the Jadua router. Let me go to the Jadua router. On the Jadua router, which is the middle router, the same thing, enable config T router BGP 50, BGP router ID, let's say like 4.1.4.1, neighbor should be neighbor to the two routers. It's neighbor to this on this is next up here, 2.1. 192.168.2.1. Remote as 30. You can see the answer is up. The other side will be is going to be remote at 40. And the next one will be 3.2. It's 3.2. 3.2. Let me check this interface for the router. Sure. This interface gigabyte 0 is 3.2. Yes, 3.2. So 3.2, that is next up. It's up. Now I will now declare its network. It's connected to two network, 192.168.2.0 mask 255.255.255.0. The other network is 3.0. And WR. Show IP BGP neighbor. I don't want to show all the configuration on it. You can see it's neighbor to this and remote as this on 30. Who is lost, please? And this one you can see is remote to this one and this on 40 external link. And these are his neighbors. This is the of his neighbors. So you can use another command BGP summary. Who is lost?
Yeah.
Let me copy this configuration for you. So let's now test our ping requests. Ping 192.168.1.1. That is the default gateway. 2.1. It has information of this in its routing table. 2.2. 3.1. 3.2. 4.1. 4.2. Any question on this? Who is not getting results? If you are not getting results, you can share your screen. Let's look at it together.
We are on it.
You're on it.
We were back. You were a little bit faster, so we
Okay.
couldn't catch up.
Okay. So I've pasted the configuration for you on the chat. Okay, all the configuration is on the charts.
This one is a little bit confusing than the others.
BGP is the most important protocol you have to learn, please. Who is getting results, who is not getting results? The next topic is wireless access control. Wireless control, no access control, sorry. After wireless control, then we now go to NAT. Mr. Amori, any issue, please? Hello?
Sorry, you're still
Yes, sir.
on it.
Okay.
Yeah.
The Georgia, also on the Georgia router. You can see the Georgia
It
router. It
have
just,
two IPs.
yes,
Yes,
you can just relate this to like the multi OSP,
multi OSP, yeah.
ASP. Yes. You can see it's connected to this autonomous number, and this is this can be referred to as the external BGP.
Yeah,
It's connected to just like multi OSPF, multi-area OSPF.
Okay. So, you see, yesterday we did RIP, we did AIGRP,
We did
we did
OSPF,
OSPF.
and this is BGP.
Yeah, so when you get a topology like this, so as yesterday I asked you, are you the one supposed to choose what you want to do, or which is the best one for you?
In the production, in the production environment, I explained yesterday.
It depends on the I think it depends on the project, right?
It depends on the what?
I think it depends. They will ask you to do like they can ask you to do whatever that all.
Yes, they will give you what to use, so you don't have to pick in the production environment.
Okay.
Mostly, even at place of work, everything's already configured. All you have to do is just operational work. So, yes, you're not going to most of the time.
So you have to get it understanding very well.
Exactly.
So when you see some problems, you can solve it. You can fix it.
Exactly.
Okay.
So BGPs and OSP are mostly are the two protocols you're going to come across at the production environment. BGP and OSP. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, okay. If only you are asked to do it, then that's okay. Because I thought you are the one supposed to think for the
No, no, no,
topology.
no, 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 no,
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
no,
Thank you.
no. It's another question. So we have covered our dynamic routing now. So the next topic is wireless access, wireless control. Do you want to start that one now? Should I go over to the wireless?
Wait, if it's broad, maybe you can just give out a preview. Or is this a new topic? What do you think?
It's not that it's broad, but let's do it this way. Okay, let's do it this way. I'll give you an assignment now. I'll give you an assignment so that next week, the next class, we can just start with a different topic like wireless LAN and voice over. We are going to cover wireless LAN and voice over IP together. After wireless LAN, we are going to do configure voice over IP. So we are going to do voice over IP configuration and the data VLANs configuration.
Okay.
So yes.
That'll be okay.
Yeah.
So that we can go through with this one.
Yes. So let me just give you assignment for this. So Please be careful. Check your IP subnet calculator. For this subnet, guys, subnet is 30, and this one is 28. Please, it's not, watch the subnet, please. So we are going to, please use the protocol you are going to use is OSPF. Use OSPF. And make sure your DHCP server is working and your DNS server is working. The routing protocol you are going to use is OSPF. And make sure your DHCP server is working and your DNS server is working. These are our data center, our place of work. And we have two departments here. We have one department is on VLAN 10, the HR department, and the other department is on VLAN 20. Okay? Any question? Any question, please? Hello?
Okay. No.
Okay. Is it clear?
Let's see.
Okay. So the
SPF.
make sure this DHCP server supply the VLAN 10, the HR department, and it also supply the IT department, this IP address. And make sure the DNS server is working. These are our data center. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
If you have any question, please ask me tomorrow in the next class. I'll be answer your question tomorrow. You can ask all your other group members, please.
But I'm submittable.
Are you presenting it tomorrow?
No, we are submitting it on Friday.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Have a nice day, sir. Can see
Yeah,
I'm
you
not
too.
I'm not rushing the class. I want you to
Yeah,
get
yeah.
it. Yes.
Yes, yes,
I'm not
yes,
rushing the
yes.
class. I want you to digest and understand it, please. Have a
Thank
nice
you.
day, sir. Yes.